how to set up an NFT domain. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can set up your NFT domains. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. Now before I begin, if you don't know what NFT domains are, they're basically domains for NFTs. So you might have heard about the normal domains like the .com domain or the .net or the .org. Well, they're basically like that but for NFTs. Back in the day when internet was getting started, websites didn't have a domain, they had IP addresses. So you would have to go like 1920.168.10.1 or 10.20, 10.30, right? Like you had to put in these digits, and if you wanted to tell a person, this is my website, you would have to tell them my website is 198.168 or whatever, the four digits, then 4 digits, then 2, then 3 or 1. That was not really cool, right? Same thing with cryptocurrencies or NFTs, right? Like they have the wallet addresses, they're very long. Like you could maybe like type them or keep a note of it, but you'd have to wrote down every single letter the exact same way, and it's pretty it's pretty awful, and it's really hard to remember them. So NFT domains are here to change that. They're going to give them domains. So basically what you can do is you can create a wallet and you can connect that domain to your wallet. So if someone asks you, hey, give me your wallet, you could be like, put in your name dot wallet or dot NFT or dot crypto or dot DAO or dot AAA dot coin dot ZIL. You can add that, right? So for example, like if someone asks you what's your wallet address, you would go, instead of saying all those different numbers, WX87325579, instead of that, you would basically say, my domain is henry.nft. That sounds much better than WX78325431, right? That's what I'm saying. So in this video, we're going to show you how you can change that. So I'm over here onto this website called unstoppabledomains.com, and they provide you with NFT domains over here. As you can see, no renewal fees ever. So once you bought them, you're good to go, and it's starting at $5. So let's go ahead and do it, and there's no renewal fees. It's starting at $5. So let's go ahead and do it. So let's go ahead and sign up onto Unstoppable Domain. So if I come over here at the top right corner and I click on the sign up or slash login, it's going to ask me to go ahead and sign up with email or with Google, or continue with or connect with my wallet address. So you can go ahead and choose whichever one you want, and you should be good to go. So I'm going to be choosing connect with wallet. We have Coinbase, MetaMask, my Ether wallet, or Wallet Connect, right? So we have almost every single one. So I'm going to be choosing MetaMask because I already have it, and it's going to pop up the notification over here. But if you don't have any of these wallets, then once you click on them, they're going to take you over to their website or the Google extension center, where you can download the extension and create an account and then log in. So as you can see, I'm over here now. I'm just simply going to go ahead and log in with my password, and once we have logged in, we can just simply go ahead and just simply click on next to connect and sign the transaction. Then we just simply click on connect. It's going to connect over here, as you can see, and now we just sign the message and we are good to go. It's going to load up over here in a second. There we go. As you can see, our account has now been connected. We can see this is my wallet address. So instead of this long wallet address, it's just going to be a small number. It could be my name or nickname or whatever I want, and then at the end it would be .crypto or .nft or .x or .wallet or whatever, right? So over here, let's go ahead and search for a domain. So let's go ahead and search for, let's say, Excalibur. That's my gamer tag, if anyone was wondering. But yeah, all right, so over here, as you can see, these are the domains that are available. So we have excaliburs.crypto. I don't think I put an X. Yeah, here we go. So excalibur.crypto is going to be 40. .nft is going to be 20. .x is going to be $100 because it's just a single letter domain. So which is pretty incredible. Like you could be like Excalibur, or you could be like e.x. It's going to be even more expensive. So what if we just simply search for E, right? Like instead of Excalibur, we could be like e.x. There you go. Okay, I don't think it can buy them. Domain is protected. Oh, they're already taken. Oh, damn. Okay, so what if I was like F? Maybe F is also, domain is not released for sale yet. So it's not currently available as of yet, but you get the idea. And this is basically domain search, and then we have some premium domains already available. So these are 4 characters, right? 1084 domains: earn.crypto, coin.nft, coin.crypto, coin.coin. I mean, that's a pretty catchy domain, but that's for $100,000. So cash.coin, cash.crypto, moon, love. Yeah, generally you get the idea. So let's go ahead and go back and try to find us a domain that we think could be good to us. So let me actually search for this, my name over here. Nope. What about Foxy Fox? I'm not really good with names or anything. Okay, so Foxy Fox is available. Foxyfox.zil, foxyfox.dao, foxyfox.nft is also available for $40. And over here we get other ones as well. But let's go ahead and search for another one. What about hash? I don't believe hash.crypto. See, 50,000. That would have been a good one, but hash.crypto 50,000. I wish I had $50,000, but you know, you can't have everything. Maybe if I put this in, yeah, we got this one. But instead of this one, we're just gonna go with Foxy Fox or Excalibur as well. Excalibur was also available. So excalibur.nft, right? So if I click on here on add to cart, and then I click on continue to cart, then we can go ahead and buy this, right? And if I say, do I live in the US? If I say yes, I can enter in my zip code. But if I say no, I can just simply go ahead and check out. And I can go ahead and buy this with the Stripe payment system as well. And over here, give $10, get $10. So gift a friend $10 credit, earn $10 after they make their first purchase of 40 plus dollars. So this is basically like an affiliate program where you can earn some money if your friends or family members or your affiliates go ahead and buy their NFT domains with in their account, and then you can get the money. But yeah, basically this is it, right? Then you just simply go ahead and buy this domain and you should be good to go. Then you can go ahead and build some apps. Over here you have apps and you have partners, and then you can go ahead and link your domain account to your wallet by coming over here onto my domains. And if you will find a domain, it will be over here, and then you can connect it to your account and you should be good to go. So it's pretty amazing and it's really, really cool. So as you can see, my Ethereum wallet, instead of this, it could be something very simple like foxyfox.nft. Foxy Fox. Yeah, that has a nice ring to it. Also, a cool thing that I wanted to say, that once you buy these domains, you are set for life. No one, you can't basically, there's no renewal fee. So 20 bucks, if I buy this for 20 bucks, that's it. Then I won't have to pay it another 20 bucks for another year or a month or ever. They're basically like NFTs. So, which is pretty cool. So once you get them, they're yours. Nothing else about it. They're basically NFTs. These domains are NFTs, and you can even build websites on them. But since they are on the blockchain network, the traditional website content will not be available as of right now. But in the future, they believe, people say that, you know, because of Web3 and possibly maybe even 50 years from now or 60 years, maybe 30, 40, whatever time being, the entire internet could be on the blockchain. And once that happens, these domains are going to be priceless. So if you find a domain that you think is cool, then you should buy it. This is not a financial advice, or I'm not saying you have to buy this now or never. I say do your own research and then buy it if you feel like it. So this is what I'm saying. Like if I buy this right now, excalibur.nft, there's no other excalibur.nft available. It's gonna be like an NFT and that's it. It's pretty amazing. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and buy this right now. So you just simply check out, enter in the card payments detail right here. You can even pay them with PayPal, cryptocurrency, or crypto.com apps, right? And you are good to go. So over here, if I go ahead and buy this, and this will be mine. See, total 20 bucks. No renewals, no nothing. And you can buy these types of domains for as less as $5, depending upon what type of domain that you want, right? Let me actually check this right here. Excalibur, Callibur. I think that's the correct spelling. I don't want to make a mistake thinking you know. See, it's single L, not double L. I knew it. It's single L, not double L. I knew it. Let me just go back over here. actually go back to domains and search for the domain. Let me search for Excalibur. Ah, almost had it. Damn, I thought I had a jackpot there. I mean, I would say that's unfortunate, but hey, you know what it is, right? It all depends on you. Let me actually search for my name. Ah, it's not available as well. Okay, this my last name is available, but for $400. Damn. I guess all the good ones are gonna be a little bit expensive. Actually, I'm just simply gonna go with Excalibur Double L. I mean, I tried a bunch of other ones. They were all very expensive, so I'm actually gonna continue with the Excalibur.NFT with the double L. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and buy this. I'm gonna enter in my card details. Catch you guys in a second. And boom, there you go. My order is now complete, and I have this right here. Now I can go to my domains, and I have it right over here. It's pretty simple. It's loading up. Okay. All right, as you can see right here, and then you can just simply go ahead and mint it. And to mint it, it's on the Polygon network, so there won't be any gas fees or whatever. It's a cost-free user experience. So let's go ahead and continue and mint it. All right, over here, I'm going to choose my wallet. Right here, I'm going to enter in my wallet address right here. And then over here, domains to be minted, excalibur.nft. Now, the domain owner will be assigned to the following wallet address. Yep. Just simply click on continue and give it a couple of minutes. All right, are now being deployed into the blockchain and your crypto wallet, and you are good to go. This transaction is being executed into the Polygon network. When it's completed, your domain will show up on the blockchain. So it's going to take its time, and pretty simple. That's it. So right now, as you can see, it's pending. It's going to take its time, but once it's done, we are good to go. Then you will have your domain minted and ready. So pretty simple. That is it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, I'll catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.